everyone, my name is Anshita
Hey guys,
Sachra.
what's up? This is Arpit.
This is Shubhangi.
My name is Vipul Yadav.
This is Shivani.
Hi, मेरा नाम गगन है.
This is Sarvakya.
Hi everyone, this is Shivangi Bhardwaj and welcome back to my channel. So this video is really a super excited video because I asked my very close friends about me that how well do they know me, and I'm really very amazed by the answers I got. आप सब मेरी उम्मीदों पे खड़े उतरे हैं. So let's get started. So question number 1, what really makes me feel angry or annoyed? I would answer that मुझे हर ही चीज़ annoy और गुस्सा दिलवा देती है. तो जो आंसर आप लोगों ने दिए वो सारे सही.
जो भी चीज़ तेरे अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं होती वो सारी चीज़ें तुझे गुस्सा दिलाती हैं.
बस एक चीज़ उससे बर्दाश्त नहीं होती, सर्दी हो गर्मी हो, बड़ी जल्दी चिड़चिड़ हो जाती है. ये उसे बहुत annoying.
There are many things that make you angry.
एंग्री तो वैसे हर बात पे ही रहती है.
I would say someone backing up on you, someone getting onto a point where you did not expect that
The
person.
people who are fake to her, she gets annoyed easily by them.
Pretending somebody or not. Basically, दोगले लोग.
शिवांगी को immaturity नहीं पसंद. I think yes.
She really believes in vibes. So if the vibe doesn't match with her, she really gets annoyed.
सबसे
with
ज़्यादा इसका एंग्रीपन तब निकलता है जब इसका कोई खास फ्रेंड या खास कोई भी जिसको थोड़ा इग्नोर कर देता है.
Question number 2, my favorite junk food item I can eat whole day. So I would answer that if given a chance, I would eat McDonald's ka burger and every item on the menu for like whole day. But second option could be pizza and not momos. I really like momos, but it's not that if I would given a chance, so I'll eat it whole day.
Momos for sure. She can have momos anytime, anywhere, in any situation.
फ्राइज, छोले कुलचे और वॉफल.
If I talk about something specific, so there are few items that is McEgg from the McDonald's.
अब जब भी हम मिलते हैं सो हम हमेशा तू कुछ ना कुछ न्यू ही खाती है. सो आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस.
Ice cream? Yeah.
तो यार I am not sure about this.
अच्छा, दिन भर खाना है इसको, वो भी जंक. मोमोस और पिज़्ज़ा जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है.
Momos, pizza.
वैसे ड्रिंक में पूछो तो नहीं.
I really don't know this answer. I'm sorry.
Question number 3, my way to go look I prefer. So I prefer very comfortable clothes, wearing a jeans, crop top, t-shirt or shirt, joggers, and all those who have answered white sneakers or shoes, you guys have my heart because I really like white shoes or sneakers. So I really love to be simple, sober and best.
She always prefers to wear something comfortable, a pair of jeans or jeggings.
नीचे जॉगर्स, ऊपर कोई क्रॉप टॉप कूल सा, ऊपर टोपी. बेस्ट.
ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल बहुत सही है उसका, एकदम सिंपल सोबर मस्त लगती है.
Wearing a loose t-shirt, blue jeans, sling bag, sneakers, white sneakers, and putting her hair in a high pony.
तो ऐसा इसका कुछ लुक तो है नहीं, ऐसी चली जाती है. नॉर्मल कैजुअल, कहीं पे भी कहीं बुला लो इसे.
कैसे डिफाइन करें उसे? मतलब बहुत एक होता है ना, दो पैसन, मतलब समथिंग वेरी एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी.
Jeans, t-shirt, I would say, or lowers. You prefer lower, I guess. Yeah.
A tee or a shirt, and a pair of white shoes.
Question number 4, is there any expression or phrase I use the most? Yes, I use nalla, nalli word the most. मेरी ज़ुबान पे बैठा हुआ है, मुझे हर एक मूवमेंट पे वही वर्ड निकल के आता है.
It is चल नल्ली, चल नल्ला. Nalla is your favorite word.
So the word she always oftenly use is nalla or nalli.
Nalla. She uses this word so much. तो मुझे भी याद डालनी है word बोलने की नहीं ज़्यादा.
और एक तो नल्ले नल्ले बहुत करती है वो, उसका फेवरेट शब्द है नल्ला नल्ला.
Whether she is angry, whether she is annoyed, whether she is happy, she will use the word nalla.
वो नल्ला नल्ली ये निकलता है इसके मुंह से.
हाँ भाई, आ गया स्वाद.
आई गेस यही है ना, मत कर तोमर, मत कर.
Question number 5, what was my most embarrassing moment? I think I have a lot of many embarrassing moments with each one of you. So I would love to hear what is one embarrassing moment that you have stated.
We were standing in the sports court. She was other side and I was at the other side. We threw the badmintons at each other's faces because we were so angry. But now we think about that, it's so embarrassing that what were we doing?
She puts me into a lot of embarrassing moments that I can't even talk about in public.
I don't know.
ओह, तो गाइस इस पर मैं कुछ कमेंट नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ज़्यादा ही प्राइवेट हो जाएगा थोड़ा, तो सॉरी शिवांगी, ये नहीं कहना चाहता.
BBA building and there were like these 3 stairs जहाँ से इसको उतरना था, बट उतरने की जगह ये गिर गई, और गिरी भी ऐसे कि ये नीचे फ्लोर पे लिटरली शी वाज लाइंग एंड शी इवन ट्विस्टेड her ankle, और सब ऐसे देख रहे थे कि भाई क्या हो गया, इनसे 3 सीढ़ी सही से नहीं उतरी जाती. That was really embarrassing for me and yet it was very fun.
There was a time when we were outside college, सरस की practices चल रही थी, and I remember you slipped. You slipped out like in front of the college. There were a lot of people and I was actually laughing instead of, you know, yeah, I would not prefer opening the other ones.
मतलब ऐसे तो कुछ एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट नहीं है तेरा, लेकिन डकार मारने के अलावा.
Yes, there are few moments that have embarrassed you or you have landed in a very situation. So yes, but वो हम यहाँ पे तो नहीं बोल सकते ना, क्योंकि it is a secret. So no.
Aman, Shivali, Nishu and Kabir send me their answers on text because they are way too camera conscious, and I'm glad too that you all answered each and every question right, and I'm so overwhelmed by the response. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. How well they do they know how well do
Sorry. थोड़ी सी ओवर एक्टिंग तो 50 रुपये काट लेना मेरे.
ऐसी थी. पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट रियली मेक्स मी हैप्पी, ओ सॉरी एंग्री. सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल.
So before ending the